Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. And today I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas. I have got my cloud pour cup that I'll be using and all my colors that I am going to be using as well. I will be going over those in a second, but first I would just like to say a big thank you to my members of my YouTube channel. I do have a membership, and so I just want to give a big thank you to Lori Houston Art, Joan Rose, Natalie James, Dee Crawford, Julie Rossiter, 𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗍, and the Independent Couple. I do really appreciate all of your guys' support. And also for everyone else that has subscribed to my channel and has been following me. I do really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Alright, so now into the paint colors. The first color that I'll be using I mixed up, and it is the Fine Touch Blue. And I wanted to zhuzh it, so I added some Prussian blue hue. It's golden fluid acrylics. And I'll show it to you. It looks really, really pretty. Not sure if you can really tell, but it's a really nice blue. And then the next one I have is from DecoArt, and it is 24 karat gold. And then these two here, I'll tell you, I mixed another couple colors together. I've got Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Deep Hue, and I mixed it with Atelier Brilliant Magenta. Now, this first cup is just those two. This cup also has a little bit of white pearl in it. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to use them both, but I have them both here just in case. This pretty purple here is Liquitex Basics Prism Violet with some Liquitex Gold Metallic Medium added. Now that is left over from I used it in a video, I don't know, 3 weeks ago or something. Anyway, so I've got a little bit of that left over. And then this really pretty color here. It's super dark. But I mixed some more paint colors together. I mixed Soho, Alizarin Crimson with Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. It's almost like a more like a mulberry wine Merlot-ish color. Really pretty. And then I have got my cloud mix, and what I use for that is Bare Satin Enamel Paint and Primer in 1 with Vallejo Pearl Medium. And I did a mixing video on that, but I can give you the ratios. I do use 2 parts Bare Satin Enamel with 1 part Pearl Medium, 2 parts Floetrol, a tablespoon of Golden GAC 800, and then just a little bit of water for your consistency. And that's that. That's the Cloud Effect mix I've been using for a little while now. My regular one is substitute the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White for the Vallejo Pro Medium. That's the only thing. That's the one I've been using for a long time. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. And this is my new cloud pour cup. I've got pretty color. It is teal, and I love it. I love it. It's a new color that I'm starting to carry some of my acrylic pouring tools in. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start putting the cloud mix in. There's 2 spouts or 2 sections up here, so I'm just going to put it in the one, and I'm not going to fill it full this time because a little bit goes a long way, and I'm just going to fill it halfway this time. And then I'm going to put blue in the other side. It's a little sometimes hard to get in there, but just gotta eyeball it. And I'm doing, kind of having fun a little bit with this today. So I'm going to put some gold on the top of that. Trying to get some mixture here of the clouds. We'll see. We'll see how that works. All right, so now it's time to fill the cup, and actually I'm going to dump it down the spout, and I think I'm gonna start with, let's see. I think I'm gonna start with this purple first. Okay. With a little bit, I don't want to do gold quite yet. Okay. I have been really enjoying my cloud pourer cup. Been getting a lot of really good results with it. So hopefully I'll get another one today. Fingers crossed. You never know. You never know. Sometimes you can have an off day. Everybody does. Not everybody pours a perfect painting every time. No matter how good you are, everybody has an off day. So as long as you learn something from it, it's never really, you know, a fail. That's how I always tend to look at things. So yeah. All right, so I'm just going to continue to fill this cup until I get to the notch there. Let's see how it goes. Then we'll be ready, once it's full, we'll be ready to pour this on, see what happens. This is a really pretty color. I have that color in my dining room, is all like a Merlot wine color. It's a very warm color. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, we'll go. I'm not going to put any more blue because I have a lot of blue in the front of there. So let's do some more of this purple. And probably not any more gold. Because if you guys have, for those of you that do acrylic pouring, DecoArt Gold, well, DecoArt metallics in general, tend to take over and sell, and which is not bad, but I just didn't want it to take over this painting. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And I'm gonna add. I guess I'll just finish this cup. So I did end up using both of these. Might be a lot of pink, but whatever. We'll see. See if I can get a little bit more purple out of here. That's about it. Try not to waste any. Alright. Now I may have to put some around the edges after I get done pouring here, so we'll see when I get there, but for now, here we go. Alright guys, here we go with the dried results, and I'm super happy with how this painting dried. The colors are just gorgeous, the clouds are nice and thick, and those other colors came up through, so it looks super, super pretty. And I really am happy with the results that I'm getting from my cloud pour cup. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And also share this video with someone you think may enjoy it. It really does help out my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget, guys, to check out acrylicpouringtools.com for all of your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I do really hope you enjoyed my video today. And I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well. And I will catch you in the next one.